Hello my friends on YouTube.
Ready for a new video?
And let's get started. Come on over, come on over. For the marinade, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, 2 chipotle peppers, and the adobo sauce. Salt to taste. Half a lemon, and finally, here I have 1 pound of chicken breast, which is half a kilo. Now what we're going to do is cut the chicken breast into small cubes. I've already chopped up all the chicken nicely. Now we're going to add all the spices. Salt to taste. We add the half lemon, mix it up so all the chicken gets the flavor. It's easier with your hands, but right now I'm using a spatula. Finally, we're going to add the chipotle peppers and the adobo sauce. We mix it again. I'm going to let it marinate for half an hour in the fridge, but you can leave it overnight. It gives it more flavor. It smells really good. It smells delicious. And now we're ready. The other ingredients we're going to need are corn tortillas, Oaxaca cheese, red salsa. This recipe is already on the channel. A little pico de gallo to tie it all together. I added lettuce. And finally plenty of oil. I've already taken the chicken breast out of the fridge. I let it marinate overnight so it would absorb more flavor. Now what we're going to do is add enough oil to a pot. We're going to shape the tortilla using this tool. In a moment, I'll show you how to do it with tongs. And here we're going to leave the tortilla until it gets nice and golden. So it turns out really crunchy. It's easier and the tortillas look nicer this way. They hold their taco shape better. I'm going to show you how to use this tool. It's very easy. You take the tortilla, look, you place it here evenly, carefully, and now into the oil. This one is ready. You're going to keep doing this with all your tortillas until you're done.
You can also make them like this if you don't have the little tool. Look, you put them in here. And we're going to start shaping it like a taco in the middle. You can use tongs or a spoon to help. Like this, see? They'll end up a little more crooked, but they'll still work. Look, like this.
I've finished shaping my tortillas into tacos. Here I have a pan with hot oil. We're going to cook the chicken. We're going to watch it here until it's well cooked. Check it for salt. If it needs more, add some. My friends, I already tasted it for salt. I added a little more and now it tastes really good. I'm going to turn it off now. Let's assemble the tacos. And it smells so good. My friends, now we're going to assemble the tacos. We're going to add some cheese. Plenty of cheese so the tacos look nice and full.
Lots of cheese, little meat. Not much chicken.
Yes, just a little chicken.
No, put a lot of chicken in.
I don't like my tacos skinny, okay? I like them to be nice and stuffed. We're going to add the chicken. We're going to add the pico de gallo. Just a little more. Now we're good. Let's move on to the next taco and do the same process. The chicken, the pico de gallo. If you like, you can add some sour cream. My friends, the moment has arrived.
Here it comes.
Yes. My friends, it's time to try these delicious tacos.
I've already added salsa.
You got ahead of me.
That salsa is the one we made in the last video. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out.
It's the imitation molcajete salsa because it was made in the chili on blender.
The molcajete. There it goes.
High five.
Health. Oh, I don't know how to bite him. It tastes like Chipotle.
Yeah.
It has that smoky flavor of Chipotle chili. Isn't that right?
Yeah. It even made me want to dance.
Dance like this. No way. You're about to finish it already.
Yeah.
Very delicious. Tell them very delicious.
They're just so delicious, like I always say. I recommend you make them. They're really tasty. You're going to savor them. Oof.
For a relaxing and enjoyable Friday night.
Yeah.
To break your diet, they're really good.
Mmm.
And the pico de gallo, it's got a nice little kick.
My friends, go make that salsa. It's really good. I recommend it too.
And the tacos?
Go check it out on the channel, please.
And the tacos? And the tacos?
Also the tacos, make them. They're beyond words. You're going to love them. Please make them.
Friends, we've reached the end of this video.
If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give us lots of likes.
And we'll see you next time.
With more delicious recipes full of indulgence just the way you like them. Bye.
Bye. We have lots of tacos, so stay tuned for the next recipe. You'll love it.
Go check it out. Go check it out.
How are they going to watch it if it's not up yet?